Taurus, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titignan natin ang energies for you in the next 7 days from the time na mapanood nyo yung reading nyo to. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, anytime na mapanood nyo to as long as makaka-resonate kayo. This reading is for you. Of course, general reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi ako magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services. Mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts at sa mga scammers. So kung gusto niyo ng private reading, dito lang kayo sa mysticqueenph.com sa aking website. Okay, Taurus, let's see. Energies, next 7 days. For Taurus. Okay. Oh, wisdom. So some of you, maaring kayo ay magkukonsulta sa isang tao na may alam ng mga bagay na gusto nyong malaman or interest ninyo. So may mentor energy dito. So pwedeng meron kayong kakausapin, magpapaturo kayo sa taong to ng interest ninyo. Ganon. So pwedeng ano to, yung pina-follow nyo sa YouTube o kaya mga personalities na interesado kayo sa kanilang mga adhikain sa buhay, ganon. This can be someone na binabasa mo lang yung libro nila, no? Pwedeng direct or indirect na mga mentors. This is also learning from experience. So some of you, meron kayong mga experiences na ito talaga yung masasabi mong dahilan kaya mas mature ka na ngayon, mas marami ka nang alam. You also have, may celebration, full moon. Especially kung mapapanood nyo to na malapit na yung full moon. So it's about achievement. So meron kang isa-celebrate na achievement na finally, na-accomplish mo na. This can be a project or goal mo sa buhay. Yan, isa-celebrate mo. Pwede rin may pagtitipon, party, ayan, na aatenan ka. You also have last quarter, which is about release of the things that are no longer serving you. Minsan kasi, the more na nag-hold on tayo sa mga bagay na kailangan na natin i-let go, mas nasasaktan tayo, diba? So, this time, you are releasing that para mas gumaan na yung loob mo. This can be toxic situation, pain, energy ng past. You are releasing that. And you are now ready for a new start, new beginning. Overall energy, you have the Page of Wands. This is about enthusiasm. So some of you, meron kayong i-explore. Pwedeng exploration ng knowledge, pag-aaral. Pwede ring physical exploration, like magta-travel ka, going to different places. Meron ding unexpected travel para sa inyo in the next 7 days na kung saan mag-e-enjoy ka kasi marami kang taong makikilala, mas marami kang makaka-bonding, ganun. Your challenge is the Three of Swords. Heartbreak. Kaya naman pala. Oo. So, ito yung nire-release mo. So, yung challenge for you is kung paano ka magle-let go of the pain, the heartbreak, the disappointment na na-experience mo from people, from situations, whether this is a person that are connected to you, or situation like career path, trabaho na hindi naging successful para sa'yo. So, that's why you are exploring. Meron ka ring inaaral, dahil baka nandito na yung bagong interest, no? Now, your opportunity is the Three of Pentacles. Ang ganda. This makes sense, no? Kasi with wisdom energy here, like parang may mentor, apprentice energy, you are collaborating, no? Merong teamwork dito. Merong tumutulong sa'yo. May nakaalalay sa'yo na para mas maging, energetic, mas maging inspired ka. Oo. Para sa career mo or para sa mga bagay na gusto mong i-pursue sa buhay. And then your blessing is the Sun. Yung ganda. The Sun is about vitality, happiness. This is also confidence, diba? So after those challenges, hardships, recovery, now you are happier than ever. So yun yung bibigay na blessing sa'yo. ng universe. In the next 7 days, you will feel good. You will feel better actually. Oo, mas playful, mas creative. Ayan. And then your focus is, wow, diba, Taurus, this is your energy. You are in your own element. Ayan, Empress energy is Venus ruled. So, Venus rules Taurus. This is about taking care of yourself, no? Self-care, self-love, ayan. And also focusing on your abundance, no? Na yung needs mo are all met. Wow, yung iba nga sa inyo, kung nanggaling kayo sa heartbreak or disappointment sa buhay, parang magbabalik kayo ng talagang, wow, bonggang-bonggang iyong pagbabalik. Pwedeng i-reinvent mo yung sarili mo, like, totally different, presentation. Like, for example, babaguhin mo yung hairstyle mo, pananamit mo, ganon. So, it's more on improving yourself, like a better version of yourself. You have the wind. Ito yung release of stock energy, cleansing talaga. Oo. Kailangan rin talaga na may movement, no? Kasi pag wala tayong ginagawang movement, nandun lang tayo. So, for some of you, ito yung nire-release mo, yung stock energy. You also have ladybug. Ang ladybug, it symbolizes luck, good luck. Diba? This is also about miracles, divine assistance. Kapag kailangan mo ng assistance, ng tulong, andyan yan para sa'yo. Diba? You will realize yan Minsan na parang feeling mo hopeless na. Parang feeling mo wala nang tutulong sa'yo. Tapos biglang, oops, ayan, may sasalo sa'yo. May tutulong sa'yo. May solusyon pala. 'Di ba? Magkakaroon ka ng, it's either merong taong darating sa buhay mo na tutulong sa'yo, or magkakaroon ka ng idea kung paano mo ma-fix or maayos yung challenge na kinakaharap mo. You have this one. So, one is about your love. I see this as self-love, no? This is also about taking care of yourself, taking care of your needs. For some of you, if you are open to new relationships, no, possible na you will meet someone na soulmate, na meron kayong soulmate connection, na you will feel good when this person is with you. Diba? Pero syempre, kung galing kayo sa heartbreak, focus muna sa sarili, no? Self-love muna. Okay, happiness. Your thinking will either make your happiness or take your happiness, you choose. Totoo yan. Yung pag-iisip mo, yan yung magdidictate kung ikaw ba'y magiging masaya o hindi. So, focus on the good things. Mga bagay na, kumbaga, count your blessings. Kasi dun mo marirealize na napakaswerte mo pala. 'Di ba? Kasi mas nabibigyan mo ng attention yung mga magagandang bagay sa buhay mo. Change, 'di ba? So, a resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. See, what did I tell you? Meron talagang fresh start na darating in the next 7 days for you. So, you will be open to those new beginnings. So, that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. See you again.